Looking for the perfect way to stay cool this summer? Let me introduce you to the Dreo Tower Fan. Your new best friend in heat waves. This fan isn't just stylish, it's smart, powerful, and whisper quiet. Bedroom at comfort use, whether you're working, sleeping, or relaxing. Energy efficient and designed for comfort. Ready to feel the difference? Click the link in the description and grab yours today before the summer heat hits harder. Dreo, smarter cooling, better living. Please subscribe my channel to get trending products at your home.